The frequency of pulse cleaning has been adjusted to the optimal state according to the equipment and working conditions before leaving the factory. If you need to adjust, you can operate it yourself in the following ways. Confirm whether the pulse nudge switch is on. Open the control box. Remove the cover and start adjusting.
First, click the Settings button. This is the adjustment of the pulse width. The pulse width is set before leaving the factory. No adjustment required. Click Settings again. This is the adjustment of the pulse interval. We usually adjust the pulse interval to 10 seconds by add or subtract the button below to adjust. One click. This is a 10-digit adjustment. Adjust the micro interval to 10. After clicking the Settings button again for the adjustment of the cycle interval. The time interval is usually set to 300 seconds before we go out. Adjust single digits to 0. Click to Shift, adjust 10 digits to 0. Click Shift again. Adjust 100 to 3. This is 300 seconds. Click Settings again. This is the adjustment of the number of output channels. The adjustment of the number of output channels has been set before leaving the factory. No further adjustments are required. Click Settings again. Start cleaning according to the number of cleaning routes just now.
Pulse interval. Pressure changes during a pulse. Pulse period interval.
Thank you for your recognition and support of Jin and Huaxin.